Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with another video. I am playing catch up, you guys. A lot of these videos that I'm doing were supposed to be uploaded a month ago, so I am playing catch up. And one of the videos that I was supposed to do last month but we're playing catch up now, is the Laid by Lira collection, you guys, of edge control and gel. Her and her team were nice enough to send me this to try out, so I'm here going to be giving my first impression / review tutorial using the products. I did get this in PR, so the packaging is super pretty. Like, I can't get over the packaging, and that's Lira right there. So if you are not familiar with who Lira Galore is, she's a CEO, model, actress, influencer, and she just became a new mommy. So I want to say congratulations to her. Her daughter is super cute, so go ahead and check her out on Instagram. So I did receive this in PR, like I said, and I'm really excited to try it out because she has gorgeous edges. She's known for her edges, so it only makes sense to like get laid by Lira. So let's go ahead and open this up. Y'all don't mind me, you guys. I feel so bad too because I just broke my nail and I'm like, I can't wait any longer. I'm not waiting any longer. I'm just gonna roll with filming with this broken nail. So sorry. You're probably like, well, what happened? Okay, so and here it is. You get a scarf, there is an edge control in here, there is the gel, and I believe in here is like an edge brush. So I really like that you get a pretty big mirror in here. I believe this is the kit. I know each of these products are sold separately on the website, so I will have the link down in the description of the website for you to check out. I had to open up the scarf to show y'all, and the scarf is pretty large. And the scarf is, you know, of course, when you use gel or edge controls, you want to wrap this around and let it sit for a couple of minutes or while you do your makeup, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to do my hair, use the product, wrap the scarf around my hair while I do my makeup, and then see what my results are. But the scarf is really nice quality. It's nice and thick and it's soft. It's not anything that's going to dry your edges out, so this is really nice. And the color is cute too. I am going to open this up because I want to see what the brush looks like, because you know I love a good brush. Okay, this is really cute. It's a nice size edge brush because you know some edge brushes are really little. So this covers a lot of space. Okay, that covers a lot of space. Alright, so what I'm going to do today with my hair, I am going to put my hair in a high puff. This twist out is super old, y'all. So let me go ahead and take these out. Okay, you guys, so I took my twist out, but I didn't fluff it or do anything to it because I'm going to be putting it up in a ponytail. So here are the products right here. I feel like they're pretty good size. I do like that they do have an expiration date on them, so you know when to use them and when not to use them. The directions say for the edge control here, apply small amount to edges, work thoroughly into hair, then smooth with comb or brush. And then the gel says here, this hair gel gives you a strong but flexible hold for style that stays in place without looking unnatural. This style hair gel won't dry out your hair as it holds your style and also won't flake and ruin your look. Non-greasy, perfect hold for all hair types. Smooths and conditions hair, easy to wash out, which is a good thing. And there isn't anything in the ingredient listing that just is like, oh, what, wait, you know. But I do notice that water is the first ingredient, so that's a good thing. I see water, vitamin E in here, castor oil, argan oil, and all of those good things. The gel does have a scent. The gel smells like a fruity fragrance. And it smells really good. It almost kind of smells like berries. It smells really good. So let me see about the edge control. Now the edge control doesn't really have a scent to it. First, I am going to spray my hair with a little bit of water. I'm only spraying the perimeter also. What I'm doing is I'm only gently just combing up this area first that's damp, because I don't want to rake through my entire hair and lose the pattern that I have with my twist out, because I like to have my ends to be kind of like curly. So I'm combing everything up kind of like halfway. Let's get with the gel first. Ooh, came right out. Yeah, this has a really sweet smell. The product is clear. I put about a quarter size. Ooh. Okay, so it doesn't feel sticky or anything. It feels really smooth in my hand. Oh, it's going in there. It's like working it in. It's working in really nice and smooth. Look at that, y'all. Girl. Oh, I'm about to be cute. It's not leaving a residue look. It's nice and smooth. I felt like that was really easy with that gel. It really gathered my hair together and in place. Like, I feel real smooth. Like, yes, this is cute. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna take an ouchless band and we're gonna wrap it around here. My arm's tired. Woo. Okay. Wrap that around there once. Let's do it one more time. I don't like my ponytails too tight, so I'm gonna just do it twice and keep it right there. Let's get our part right. Right now, I am gonna go ahead and apply the edge control. And I'm really liking how everything's kind of looking. The edge control is really like a soft texture. Cause you know, like some edge controls is really hard to dig out of the jar. So this is how I like to do mine. I like to put it all on the hairline. What's really nice is this isn't sticky. The gel wasn't sticky. Nothing was sticky. Like, we don't like that sticky feel. Because, you know, sticky normally means it's going to leave like a residue. Okay. Put a little bit there and I'm gonna just put the remainder that was on my fingers on my nape. I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush. I'm gonna brush this in like this. And it's brushing in really nicely. It's not like a crunchy hard hold either, which is nice because I don't like super, you know, hard edges. It's nice, and I feel like my edges are going to be really wispy. So what I do is I brush my edges back like this, and I'm going to put the scarf on right, and then I'm going to come back and really like do them. As you can see, it did add some really nice shine. Like, it has a nice shine. And as you can see, it's already starting to kind of like hold its place. So say if you didn't want to like put a scarf on, I feel like it has a really nice hold. Because I feel like it went on kind of like not really wet because of I know it's water in there, but it was a really nice moldable edge control. You know, like some edge controls, if you put it on there, it's really like hard to move it, and this is easy to move. So let's go ahead and put the scarf on. So I like to tie my scarves like this. So we're just gonna do her like that, behind my ears. Okay, so that's on nice and tight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back with the final results and my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so I took the scarf off. My makeup is done. So what I tend to do when I take my scarf off, when I let like my edge control kind of like set when I'm doing my makeup, I just make sure I put some of the bronzer into my hair just a little bit, because you know my hairline will be a little lighter than the rest of my face because of the bronzer and contour and stuff. So I put a little bit of that on. It's just gonna be a little lighter for right now until I do my little baby hair. So but I really like how it's feeling. It's laying really flat. There's no flaking when I took off the scarf. So what I do is with my edges, I like to loosen them up a little bit. And I feel like me doing this will definitely give a sign if the edge control flakes. And so far, no, it's not. It's not. I like to do my edges like this, y'all. I like to have them be real baby-like, for real nice and wispy. So as you can see, it is definitely giving me the look that I want. Nice and soft for real. I'll loosen up this side a little bit. I don't want to loosen it up too much, but I'm really liking how this is making my edges feel. And they do feel really moist. They don't feel dry or nothing. Alright, y'all, so these are kind of like my final results. I like my edges to be kind of more wispy. I could make them a bit more extreme, but this is like about all I like to do with my edges. Alright, y'all, so I am back, and my final thoughts are this is definitely bomb. You know, I'm surprised that it held my type 4, you know, edges down, and like it's really giving me what I need. I have been walking around the house for about 20 minutes, and normally within that first 20 minutes I feel like you can definitely tell, like, okay, is this gonna stay, is it gonna hold? And yes, it did. But then again, I didn't use a whole lot of this because you don't need a lot, which I'm really happy about. I feel like a little bit definitely did go a long way, and it didn't leave my hair feeling greasy or anything, or any type of residue when it comes to the edge control. Because say if you do need to reapply it tomorrow, you're not gonna get like a whole bunch of buildup on your edges, which is a real big pet peeve of mine. But also you have to be mindful of how much you're putting on as well. But I do like this. I like the results that I got because I tend to like a more wispy soft look, and I was able to achieve that without, you know, that greasy, you know, too much look. The gel was on point as well, okay? With my natural hair, I was able to slick it up, and I didn't even put a lot. I only used about a little less than a quarter size in 3 sections of my hair, okay? And my hair looks good. It has a nice natural shine to it. So I definitely would suggest this to somebody who is looking for an edge control in gel. I feel like using these both together really maximize my results, because I've never really done that before. Normally I just like will spray my hair with some water and then just go straight in with an edge control. But using these both together, yes, I got what I needed. I got a nice sleek slick ponytail. So yes, if you do have, you know, relaxed hair, I don't see why you couldn't use this definitely is for all hair types from what I'm seeing, okay, because I have type 4 hair and it's very difficult to lay my edges down sometimes, okay, because my hair tends to curl right back up. So yeah, y'all, I will have the link down in the description for you guys to check out if you want more information about these products. And I do want to say thank you so much to Lira for giving me this to test out and try out. This stuff is definitely bomb, you guys. I'm not just saying it just to say it, like, it really did work. Like, you can see, like, my results are real cute. Real cute, okay? So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.